Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on accounts right here. Click on accounts. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on emails and accounts right here. Click on emails and accounts. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to choose the account that you want to completely log out from your Windows PC. I'm going to simply select on this second below account right here. And this is going to pop up. I will simply come down below right here. I will make sure, then come down below right here and make sure you click on remove. And this is going to pop up. Are you sure you want to remove this account? Email and content associated with it will be removed from this device. If you are an organization, manage this device. Other store data may be removed by your organization. Simply click on yes right here since you are ready to. So just like what you see right here, the account has been completely logged out from this particular Windows device. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.